Look at the world's most active global trade routes. Beneath the surface of these massive interconnected markets lies a hidden economic powerhouse that spans oceans and continents, the African diaspora. This map highlights a 6-country economic corridor: the US, UK, Canada, Nigeria, Ghana, and South Africa. Together, they generate over $4.2 trillion. Zooming in, U.S. Black-owned businesses generate $206 billion annually, but this capital is trapped in isolated pockets, lacking infrastructure to scale. This widespread fragmentation creates a vacuum. It leaves a high-value economic corridor largely disconnected from the broader global market. Traditional software platforms are built for horizontal markets. They aren't designed to handle the specific cross-border compliance, supplier diversity requirements, and matchmaking needs unique to this community. 1325. AI addresses this gap as a category-defining economic operating system designed explicitly to wire this fragmented diaspora together. This tiered area chart shows how 1325.ai arrives at a $127.5 billion addressable market. By integrating vertical SaaS, Fintech infrastructure, B2B marketplaces, and community platforms, the system captures value across the entire business lifecycle. The platform's multi-country architecture removes international friction, allowing a supplier in Lagos to match, verify, and transact with a buyer in Atlanta within a single ecosystem. 1325.ai architects the specific digital infrastructure required to unify and capture value from this multi-trillion-dollar economic corridor. To understand how that infrastructure scales, we have to look beneath the surface at the platform's digital architecture. The platform operates at a 4-way intersection, merging software, agentic AI, community networking, and fintech into a centralized core. This is protected by a 27-claim patent portfolio covering autonomous AI orchestration and self-healing backend systems. Within the system, 23 autonomous AI agents handle operational tasks like invoicing and compliance, while a self-healing infrastructure monitors and resolves system issues without human intervention. After 18 months of development, this deep tech integration makes the platform highly defensible, as the complexity of the 294-table database makes reverse engineering economically irrational for competitors. This architecture powers the platform's core growth mechanism, the Community Money Acceleration Loop, or CMAL engine. The CMAL engine automates the growth cycle. In discovery, AI autonomously profiles 17,000 businesses daily, converting data into active members. During matchweeking, the system connects them directly, facilitating cross-border invoicing, payments, and credit scoring. Every transaction feeds the cycle. Increased activity generates more data, which improves AI accuracy and attracts new members through organic network effects. Moving away from linear sales models, the CMAL engine creates compounding, viral network growth. From a boardroom perspective, this technological architecture translates into specific, highly efficient unit economics. Contrasting standard SaaS margins against the platform's projected performance, replacing human support with autonomous agents achieves an 86% gross margin. Simultaneously, network effects drive customer acquisition costs down from $420 to $280, while customer lifetime value continues to rise. Users enter through a tiered subscription model, then expand their usage through premium AI services and lending tools, leading to a 142% net revenue retention rate. Text 1325. AI's architecture provides a level of capital efficiency that points towards a rapid path to profitability. Synthesizing these financial projections within a $127 billion addressable market establishes a definitive enterprise value. This model shows the convergence of 5 independent valuation methodologies. Whether looking at discounted cash flow or the value of the IP portfolio, the data streams align at a base case enterprise valuation of $1.82 billion. The platform's multi-vertical nature provides several exit pathways, making it a candidate for acquisition by major fintech players or a multi-billion-dollar IPO. This infrastructure allows a single local business to connect instantly to a vast illuminated global network operating at international scale. 1325.ai provides the mathematical organization for the financial future of a $4.2 trillion global economy.